Yeah, when I remember being at Lotus and uh, right after, actually right before the opening, Gerda, we were going through everything, and he was talking about how now you built it, now you have to take care of it. And my reaction was like, oh my God, how's that going to happen? And we're already exhausted, after 5 years of all this uh, building of the initial Yogaville. And so uh, some other person will get sent along, and then they're there for a few years, and you train them and they move on. Somebody else comes along, and that happens for a little while, and then you just assume that you're never going to get any help. You just assume, well, it's just going to always kind of be like this. And fortunately, Gurdjieff has sent a few though over the years that really did stand out and really made the huge difference. And Devaja's one of those people. It's a rare jewel that we've had come and be able to navigate the waters of the ashram, if you will, of the ups and downs and the sort of insanity that we get into sometimes when it comes to maintenance and building. You don't find many people like that have the skill and the temperament to do those things. And his big forte though really was blending the two, the sadhana and the work, and to become a reverend after some years and really involved with that group of the ministers and helping it to grow. It's just a really wonderful balance to his life, and then to find his partner here after some years of back and forth, England, here. Now it's decided he's going to England, and we wish him all the best. And I know that even though he's at a distance, I can always contact him, and he'll help me with things that we forgot or help us with. So God bless you, Devaja, Bhuvaneshwari. Have a wonderful life there.